Yo, yo, yo. How's it going? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right. Let's give it a few minutes and then we will get started. Let's give like 2 minutes that people roll in. It should be a good stream. We're gonna talk about a lot of things. We're gonna talk about macro, what's going on. We're gonna talk about just crypto markets, obviously under a lot of pressure. We'll talk about stock markets. We're gonna go through everything, so it should be good. If you're not in Weekly Wisdom, make sure you guys join. It just gets so nervy. These are a lot of hard trades. A lot of our trades. Yeah, let's give it 2 more minutes. We got 100 people here. Let's try to get to at least 200 and then we can start. Feel free to ask your questions or anything you guys have. SpaceX looks good, by the way. Looking good. All right. Why do you think USA will win? I don't know. They look good. That's about it. I don't really not somebody who watches soccer a lot, but I don't know. They look good, no? What do you guys think? Don't think they look good? Oh, just get some. Oh God, my back hurts. Hope you guys read today's newsletter, but most of it is going to be. So if you're not in, make sure you guys join weeklywisdom.com, please. I highly, highly recommend you guys becoming a member. Absolutely no brainer. Okay, all right. Let's start. Let's start taking a look. Oh wow, France. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the markets here. See what's going on. Okay. Okay. All right, so we got. Let's take a look one by one. VIX has been all right. It's down today. It did spike over the last few days. That's good. I always want to keep an eye on VIX. Make sure it doesn't spike above 24, 25. Like getting up here. That's like the Iran war stuff. But I think if it sits down in this area below 20, I think we're okay. Stocks, let's say, yeah, finding some support here on Nasdaq. I mean, pretty close to all-time high still, not that far off. Interest rate markets, we got 10-year rates moving lower. Good to see. You want to see this. You don't want to see it go up this way. You definitely want to see rates moving lower. So that's a good sign. Hopefully, it keeps going lower down here. Well, we'd love to see 4% and below 2-year rate. That'd be great. Ideally, you want to see like down like under 3% 2-year rate. I think that's going to be a bit challenging with inflation still being so sticky. But I think wishful thinking. Dollar is looking strong. Dollar is definitely on the back of all this risk off. Like we're seeing a lot of selling in obviously stocks and crypto. I think a lot of that's just going into dollar and U.S. bonds. So basically, the way the relationship works of bonds is right here. For example, you see this interest rate moving lower interest rates and prices have an inverse correlation. So if there's a lot of people buying bonds, so the price is going up because they're selling stocks, they're selling crypto, they want to go into a safe asset like US bonds. What they'll do is, what happens is rates go lower. So the higher the bonds go up, the lower rates go. So that's why you're seeing that. So that's basically why you're seeing a dollar strengthen as well, because people are moving into dollars. Bitcoin, not great, right? We had this. I mean, it's still in range, so it's not like, yeah, we're getting closer to bottom of the range, and it's a little scary, but we're still in range, right? Like we're still chopping around here in this like whatever, or down here like this to whatever the lows were here, 60 point something. Yeah, maybe closer to 59. Okay, so we're still here. I mean, obviously it doesn't look great, but we could see a reversal back up. I think a lot of people are going to start panicking and selling and getting worried. So I think we could definitely see a reversal somewhere around here soon. But keeping an eye. Otherwise, I think you're looking at, like, if you break here, you're kind of looking at this 52, 53K support here, like around this level, like where you saw these buys come in here. So I think it's gonna be interesting. What keeps happening with Bitcoin? I think there's so many headwinds right now with Bitcoin, right? Like I think um, with Bitcoin you have uh, I think there's just so many headwinds, right? So one is you have all the people that initially, like the OG Bitcoiners, right? Like so when the ETF happened, that was great exit liquidity for them. So I think they sold a significant amount. Then you had the crypto president come in. That created a lot of buy pressure. So I think there was just so many OGs that sold that are not looking to buy back. I think they just sold and they're like, okay, we held Bitcoin for 10 years. Now we're going to cash out and now we're going to enjoy life, right? So that's one. Second is you have a lot of volatility with the president, right? Like we have, will will the Clarity Act pass? How is crypto going to go forward? You have a lot of like states that are kind of pushing back. Crypto has also become like a Trump asset, right? Like, so if you are not a Trump fan, you're not going to put your money in crypto most likely, right? Because you're like, okay, this is something that Trump supports. So now if the Republicans lose, it's possible the Democrats come pretty hard at crypto as well. So I think there's a lot of volatility and narrative around that. And then you have, obviously quantum computing is and AI is causing issues. You're seeing a lot of DeFi protocols kind of you know, ca- uh, causing people to be wary of a lot of these protocols because like AI is cracking them, like Claude is cracking, finding errors in code, and you're able to exploit a lot of these protocols. So I think that's causing a lot of people issues to be in crypto right now as well. And then that doesn't help like the overall narrative either, right? And then at the end of it, a lot of people are just like, listen, the meta right now is AI stocks, data chips, data centers. I think that area is seeing a lot of money allocation, right? Like, I think you're seeing a significant amount of money flow there. Then you have people that are going into this whole new narrative of um, crypto protocols need to have revenue to be investable, right? Because now you have a lot of people from TradFi coming in where the way they think is, listen, we're fundamental people. We look at cash flows, we look at expenditures, we look at what kind of costs are going on. So they look at a full top-down fundamental approach. So they're not going to be like, listen, I'm going to go buy a meme coin or I'm going to go buy um, some random altcoin that has no revenue, right? Like it's like maybe it's Ethereum or ADA or whatever. They're looking at protocols that make money. So, which is the reason over the last few months you saw coins like Hype doing so well because Hype makes a ton of money. You saw coins like Near VVV do well because they make money. They have real volume. Um, Obviously under pressure right now with Bitcoin down, but that's why you're seeing allocation into those type of tokens is because I think the new money that's flowing in is all traditional fundamental money, and they don't want to buy vaporware. They don't want to buy bullshit. And I think that's why I think we're gonna see more of that going forward. So it's definitely something that we need to be aware of from an investing standpoint. And then I think what if somebody's like, hey, I want to have some meme coin allocation, they're not gonna go buy some 10K, 50K, 20K, or 20 million market cap coin, right? They're like, okay, I want to put in 100 grand or 200 or $1 million just so I have some exposure to meme coins. They're gonna go buy maybe Doge, Fart Coin, the high volume coins, right? So Fart Coin is one of the highest volume coins um, in the meme coin space. So I think I like let's take a look. I think it's actually very interesting in this downturn. So you have Bitcoin, right? Like that's just absolutely getting smoked today. Um, so you got Bitcoin just oh, do you feel like a little entry here on Bitcoin? What do we think? uh, maybe a little baby entry. Why not? All right, I'll do a little long on Bitcoin. The long on Bitcoin. I was taking a look at Farcoin. I was saying. So look at this. It's pretty interesting if you look at the two charts. Like so, this is how in kind of the same time span. Let's do that. 21st. Like look at this. Okay, this is kind of the same time span. Farcoin and Bitcoin. Pretty incredible chart. Like look at how much strength this has had. Like so, when this dumped, we went from. Sorry, not this is Solana. My bad. My bad. My bad. Which is also a very good chart to look at actually. But here, right? So this is kind of similar overlay. So you got can you see in here? Okay. So you got look at this Fartcoin kind of just holding steady, 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 whereas you have Bitcoin just absolutely getting clobbered. So I think if you see any move up in Bitcoin, you're gonna see something like Fartcoin kind of move pretty aggressively. So let's kind of take a look at a couple other coins here. So this is why I don't like Solana. I love shorting Solana because look, Bitcoin fell down, this went down as well. Pepe just keeps going down, no bid. But Fartcoin, look at that, just chopping around. Let's look at near. Near, not doing that great. Not doing that great. Up there, came down. Hopefully, it finds a bid soon. VVV again, not doing. So this is hilarious. Is it? Oh, this is actually not bad because look, it's still chopping around in this same zone on world on WLD. So that's good. Um, so very interesting. I think here we see WLD seeing a bid. Pretty incredible bid on this though, right? Like just look at compared. Like we just went through the other charts. Pretty incredible. I'll keep that. I'll keep a little long here on Bitcoin, and I'm going to keep a little long on Fartcoin, and then let's see. Let's see, maybe we add more at 0.12. So we're long here. We'll add more at 0.12, and then maybe we do a stop out at 1165 or something like that. Let's do that. And then on Bitcoin, what we'll do is we'll keep a tight stop out on Bitcoin because this doesn't look that great, to be honest. Maybe we do 60-40. So 60.4K, we'll stop out on that. These are just short-term scalps, so I'm not looking for any big moves here. Just a little daily scalp. But yeah, so that's kind of my thesis with why crypto is like kind of been under so much pressure. Let's look at some of the stocks we like. Some of this, I think I showed this in the last hold on. No, that's not it. Let me find out what there's a stock I've been buying that's doing really well. Let me pick it. Let me pull up my trading account and find it. Give me 1 second, man. I'm so tired today. Got like really shitty sleep. DGXX, yeah. What did I? Yeah, DGXX. Yeah, it's this one. Okay, cool. All right, this is yeah. I like this. I still like this stock. Big fan. We kind of got in early here, but I still like it. DGXX and then Wolf. We've been in weekly wisdom. We've been in Wolf like from $3. Pretty amazing. Yeah, $27 now. We've been riding this way. See, this is what I'm talking about, right? Like, look, in weekly wisdom, these are the stuff we're buying, right? Like over the last few months. Look at these. I mean, like, look at these two charts, right? And then you look at um, let's compare it to this is how Bitcoin looks, right? Like yeah, in the kind of same time span. Let's look at these three coins. Like that's unreal. Like look at these three. And this is why weekly wisdom has been so successful. Like because we're not just like I've pulled out so much money out of crypto. Like I am the lowest amount of money I've ever been in crypto. That like I started pulling money out like yeah like seven like let's say almost a year ago. I started pulling money out aggressively, and even right now I'm 40% stables, right? And then I've been pulling money out and just trying to intraday trade. But these are where the real money, the real action is. Like, look, in weekly wisdom, we went in like the $4 to $6 range here. It's $27. Look at this. Went in the $3 to $4 range here. It's $8.70. It hit $12.50. Like this is where the gains are right now, right? You have to go where the expected returns are positive, right? Expected value if your trade needs to be positive or it doesn't make sense. And the only things in crypto that are doing well are hype, and that's kind of it. Like even if you were like of course we got into near early and it kind of worked out because like we got in here but it did hit $3, right? Like that was great. And even VVV, like this has been good chart. And then hype, right? Hype has been a good chart, but other than that, like what is people are still DCAing random meme coins. Like there's just like look, these are the type of stuff you need to be in. Now where am I going to bid this again? Hype. I don't know. I like that 52 bit, and then we hit new all-time high. That was great. I'll have to see. I'll have to take a look. I'm unsure right now. Right now, I kind of want to stay more in stables and just be patient, and then just do a little bit of intraday trading and try and find some sweet spots, right? Like right now, we long Fartcoin, right? And we're just gonna try and kind of feel it out and see what happens. Pretty incredible how good Fartcoin has been. I'm like, this is so silly. I just spent like 20 minutes talking about how traditional investors care about um fundamentals right now more so than anything. And it's incredible how, but also you can't really compare it. This is like $120 million meme coin. So we're really comparing apples and oranges. Like you don't need much volume and much buy power to keep that afloat, right? Like so let's even though we see that, it's okay for a scalp, but like that's kind of about it to be honest for me. All right. We kind of went over a lot of things. Um what else? Any questions? Space. Oh yeah, let's take a look at SpaceX. We're long SpaceX right now. So we long SpaceX at 150, 150.5. That was the weekly wisdom level that we waited, and being patient on that has worked out really well. Um, okay, so yeah, oh yeah, anything around I think 150 is good. But we are long right now from 150.5, and I'm targeting like yeah, like 172 at least, like in this area, 167 to 172. So we'll take a look at that. Um, saw a question like so summer, you got to realize summer we're going to see a lot of low volume, right? Volume's not going to go up the next few months, it's going down. um I think it's going to be like what are going to be like what's a catalyst that's going to make markets move. So stocks, yeah, stocks are moving because you have incredible money coming in from 401ks, from pension funds, from all across the board because they want to get returns, and Nasdaq's doing so well and tech stocks are doing so well. Crypto's not doing so well, so you're not going to see allocation as much towards it. You need Bitcoin to maybe get closer to 92 to 100K for investments to come back into the crypto sector. Especially, people need to believe that they can outperform AI and tech stocks right now. So it's going to be, I think, not a great summer from trading perspective on all fronts. And I think being low leverage, more in cash, and being patient and winning is going to be the right trade for long term views. At least that's kind of how I'm playing things. So I think right now the key is, being in communities like Weekly Wisdom and being patient and, waiting and relaxing and, thinking on a bigger scale, right? Like, yeah, it's good to hit these. This is the time to hit like a couple of these singles and doubles. Like, this is what I always talk about, and we talk about in Weekly Wisdom a lot. Like, now is not the time to go for big swings. Keep low leverage, be tight in trade stop outs. Try to win on like if you're winning 6 out of 10 trades, you're doing really well right now. You know what I mean? 6 out of 10 is like you're like great hedge fund level winning. Now then it's going to be managing your risk, right? Like, so if you put on some trade and you get liquidated and then on 2 trades you make the money back, like that's not great, right? Because then now you're net zero. So you need to trade in a way where you are essentially able to manage your risk, where if you hit 6 out of 10, you're up quite a bit on P&L, right? So when you think a trade is like right now, you should not be taking any high risk. And then if you see market pumping, then you can increase your risk. When market's in this situation, you take more risk, more volatility. Even though you have the right trade, you can get wiped out. So I think it's very interesting how I think you need to handle things. Um, Thoughts on Reccoin? I'm a fan of Reccoin. I think all like you're not seeing volume go into these type of coins at the moment, but I like, yeah, like I'm a big fan. I think like these are all gonna do really well when market overall comes back. Like this is gonna like these guys are like it's such a bad picture by looking at this chart compared to the amount of work that's being put in by Rec, right? By the team. They're expanding, they're selling out constantly. I think it's definitely interesting, but there's no money right now going into these kind of sectors is kind of what I'm saying. Like, even like I'm sure we'll go look at Pengu. I'm sure it's a very similar story, right? Yeah. Like there's just nothing going into these kind of investments right now. So I think we just need to be very wary of that and be aware of that. All right, let's see. Yeah, I think time is in our favor. As long as you can wait out the market. Listen, this is what my boss who taught me trading, he always said, one of the key things is, and you're seeing this all over CT right now. One of the most important things that I learned, and this was probably 16 years ago, my first main trading boss, he taught me how to be a bond trader. One of the things he said to me, market, like the way it works is history does not repeat itself, but the market is cyclical. If there's good times, there will be bad times, and if there's bad times, the good times will come. But the most important thing to remember is do not get stopped out of the market. What that means is that don't lose everything, where when the good times come back, you have nothing to enjoy the good times and make the gains, right? And this is what I've seen happen over the last year. People were up 25, $50 billion and have completely round trip. Now, when the market gets going again, they're screwed. How are you gonna come back? Like you have the right trades, the good times are back, the easy money is back. You have nothing to invest with, right? Because in the bad times, you increased your risk because you wanted to make everything back and you lost it all. So remember that. It's a very important thing. History does not repeat itself in the market, but the market is cyclical. Bad times will happen, but bad times mean that good times will be right around the corner. And if there's good times, remember, there's also bad times coming. The most important part is that during the bad times, do not get stopped out of the market, because then when the good times come, you're not going to be able to have that easy money to go to work for you. So it's very important. So, question: NFTs coming back? Nah, NFTs are not coming back. Meme coins like 2024 are not coming back. But we'll have easy money come back, but it'll be a different narrative, different meta. Who knows? Who knows? Ooh, a little red candle there on Bitcoin. I think stocks are taking a little bit of a hit here. It's crazy what a different chart stocks and crypto look like. It's so funny. All these like crypto boys not think they know stocks. Like, what are you talking about? Like, you guys have no clue. Look at this. What a difference between. I mean, just look at that chart, right? Like, come on. Pretty unreal. I'm looking at the chat here. What will happen to all my NFT bags? I don't know, bro. I think you might see some new NFTs do well, like the way you saw Pudgy Penguins did, but the golden days of NFTs, it's gone. It's not coming back, and nor are meme coins, unfortunately. Here's a question. Trust me, I would love for that. So I'll tell you what can make meme coin season or NFT season come back. You would have to go through such a situation in the market where everything gets crushed another like 30-40%, like a pandemic type of thing. So everything dumps another 50-60%. The interest rates get cut to zero, and there's stimulus put out. If you have that kind of excess capital where people are just chasing returns because everything else is getting maxed out, then yes, you might see it. Well, yeah, because they're stupid. These KOLs don't know anything about NFT or real trading, so they shill you garbage. Uh there's really no real narrative right now at all. I think you're missing the point. Meme coins will never die, of course. But will we have a 2024 style meme coin season where you could just print money out of like millions every day you could make? That will never happen again. But yes, there will be some meme coin that runs like crazy and will cook, of course. But you're not gonna have like in 2024, like I stayed up on day like days and days. I'd wake up 2, 3, 4 in the morning almost every day, and every time I woke up, I'd make like an extra 100 grand, 200 grand. Like I was making almost daily, like couple $100,000, millions a week. Like I mean, no, it's not. Same doing NFTs. Like that's not gonna happen. You're not gonna have an altcoin season anymore. You're not gonna have a meme coin season anymore. You're not gonna have NFT season. But all that type of season will flow into something else, right? Like NFT people thought there would never be another NFT season, but then you have the meme coin season, and then they were like, "Oh, like this is bullshit." And then you have the NFT people who are in the who faded hype and near and VVV, and they're like, "This is bullshit," and then that shit pop. So it'll always move, and then stocks and AI stocks started going 10, 20x. So there will always be a new thing, and the people previously who don't know anything about it will be like, "Damn." So this is why I suggest like weeklywisdom.com. Like we have been in it from every meta, and we have caught every meta, every narrative ahead of it. Because like we're in the markets, we're looking all around. We have a huge team, and I'm tapped in too. So I go to all these conferences around the world, talking to people, trying to find out what they're investing in, what they like. So I think it's very important to understand that. Okay, let's see. I'm telling you, weekly wisdom will just put your life on easy mode. All right, let's any other questions? If not, oh what the hell? Oh, that's my Alexa tripping out. Alexa. All right, any questions? Let's see. Oh yeah, I have to go through that. Make sure. All right, let's do some yeet then. I think we've gone a lot into markets. I'm happy to talk more markets, but my girl, no, that's Alexa going off. Okay, let's We got a lot of clipping material today too, so I hope that works. Okay, give me a little few minutes. All right. Okay. All right. Um. Okay. Let's. Okay. I think you guys are. No, I haven't decided yet. All right. You want to? You guys want to do a little bit of gambling then? If there's nothing left for the markets, let's gamble a little bit. All right. Let's gamble. Yeah. What's high low? I haven't seen this one. That's got to be new. How does this work? Where am I betting? I'm so confused. Oh, right here's a bet. Am I up money? I don't even know. Oh, I see. Oh, this is cool. Okay. So, all right, let's do this. So, we'll do $25 and so bet. Okay. So now do I think higher or lower? Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's go higher. No, so I lost, right? Okay. Okay. So my odds. Hey. Oh, that's pretty sick. So I can cash out. Okay, 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 okay. All right, let's do some size here. Pretty cool. Very cool game. Some markets question. Any case for Sol not to go down? 90%? I think if Bitcoin goes to 40, 50K, then Solana probably goes to like $25, $30. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Okay, all right, let's bet 100. Oh, this is crazy odds because you're already on an ace. So what's lower than an ace? So we'll just do this. Yeah, of course. 10. Ooh, let's go lower. Oh, okay. So we won that one. Okay. Um, what do we think here? What do we think here? Oh, God, I don't want to short Solana. Sorry, just God, I hate Solana. Let's see. I'll just do a little degen. A little bit of sauce. All right. What do we think here? High or low? Let's see. I'll go low. All right. All right. Okay, we need to hit. Oh no, that's a tough one. Oh, we can skip 10 ahead. That's pretty cool. All right, high, low. Okay, 3, Go high. Oh, same. All right. Should we go low? Oh no. This is pretty cool. Never seen a game like this. Okay, hold on. Let's go high. Oh, okay, hold on. High, high. Oh, there's gotta be some odds we can work on over here. You know what I mean? Hey, our Bitcoin long got stopped out. Just FYI. Cool. SpaceX long is doing well. That's pretty cool. Good to see. Good to see. SpaceX long is looking nice with it. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I get it. I get the. This is pretty cool. Okay. I mean, we might as well swing for it. Yeah. All right. Let's play something else. Let's do some lamb chop. We love little lamb chop. I know. I should have gone lower on that. I know. Let's say a little lamby, lamby, lamb. Um, Give us. Ooh. Should have cashed out. All right. Let's see what we can do here. Come on. Come on, bruh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Hmm. Let me add the chat in here. There we go. Show comments on stage. How do I get it out of my face, though? Maybe I go like this. All right, come on. Give us a barn run. 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 Come on, come on, come on. Come on. No. No. So close. Oh my god. Man, the Solana degens were printing ish. Oh, market's getting clobbered. Damn. Look at that candle. What? Let's see. A fart coin. Unchanged. Fart coin long is unchanged. That is insane. Nobody even has coins to sell. I think that's probably what it is. Solana. Let's send Solana down. I like that. I like that. Where is Solana? A lot of Bitcoin liquidations. A lot of liquidations. Where's Solana? Hold on. There we go. Dump it. Dump it, baby. Send Solana lower. Send Solana lower. Send it lower. Send it lower. Why don't you forget about me? Ooh. I wonder if it's just like a liquidation cascade and then we pop back up. You know what I mean? Like right now we're just dumping. Here we go. Maybe yeah, there's a liquidation cascade here. And then we pop up to like let's see if the support holds. Right? Look at the stocks. This is what I mean. This is why would you be in crypto when you can be in the left chart right now? Like look at this chart right now. Like you could be chilling in like in this life rather than just get clobbered elsewhere. I don't know. Doesn't make sense. Mm. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I got someone's at the door. Um, all right, Solana short's doing good. It was a DGen short, but take it, I guess. All right, I'll be right back. Okay. All right, I'm back. I am back. Okay. Market getting clobbered. Still barely moving. All right. Okay. SpaceX, baby. SpaceX moving up. Okay. All right, let's go back. Not that crazy, just a couple hundred K. All right, come on. Come on. Get us a barn. Get us the barn. Come on. Come on. Give us one barn run. Come on, Mando. Give us a barn run. Oh, let's go. Should I cash out? We're up quite a bit. Imagine. Imagine. Oh boy, do I keep going? Looking good. All right, let's do it. Let's go. Let's go till here. See what happens. Oh, come on! Come on! This is a almost 5 grand. Oh no, that was crazy. Let's do one more time. Come on. All right, we're gonna make it to here. We're gonna make it. Oh, bro, we could have been up like 4 grand if I just stopped. That's tough. Oh, let's go, 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 go! Chase your buddy, chase your buddy. Go, let's go chase him. All right, we're gonna make it till here one day. Come on! Oh my god! I die there every time. I could have been up $10,000 if I stopped here every time. Come on! Oh, just trying to make it till here. I would have been up 10 G's if I just cashed out like if I just cashed out right here 3 times. I died here. 10 G's I would have been up. Come on. Come on. Come on. So close. Pretty cool be up 10 G's so quickly. Come on. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. All right. I'm just gonna close that soul short, by the way. Okay. I'm just gonna close it. I don't wanna watch it. I don't wanna short like after the market's dumped so much. We're still in the fart coin long, but I'm just gonna close the soul one. Take a look here. I don't know. We'll see. Come on. All right. You think this time we're gonna make it to here? So this is the fourth time we made it this far. So if I just cashed out over here every time, I'd be up $12,000 now. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna get here. We're gonna get here. Oh, oh my God. Are we getting greedy? Is that what's happening? I think we're getting greedy. We're legitimately getting greedy. Like, how many times have you made it? Like, look, again, again. I would have been at $12,000 up. Oh my God. Let's just go for it. Oh, so that's potentially $13,000 now given away. That I could have just locked in. I kind of just want to make it to that. Mando's watching. He's like, "Yo, let's fucking destroy these guys." Come on, come on. Good, good, good. Feel good. Feel good. I 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 feel good. Big one. Cash out 4 grand. That's an easy 10x. Or do we go for it? Oh, what do we do, boys? What do we do? Cash out be a nice chunk of change. $4,000, $4,400. Oh my god! I need to think this one a little bit. Oh my god! Let's see. Okay, okay. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna click one more. I'm gonna click one more. I want to click one more. Ah! Oh, I got greedy. I got greedy. I got greedy. Oh my god, I got greedy. I should have just cashed out. I got greedy. That's all I wanted. I just wanted to get to that tile, and then I got greedy. That's what happened. I saw, you know what it is? I saw this. I was like, boy, imagine how cool it'd be to make 60 grand. And I just give, like, I probably just give like 20 grand away to you guys if I made that. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. All right, let's go for it. Let's go for it again. Why not? Marcus getting smoked. Bitcoin's getting smoked. Woo! Ooh, doggy. Bitcoin's getting smoked. Crazy. SpaceX long is up. Oh, go, 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 go. Chase him, chase him, chase him. Chase your boy, chase your boy. Oh, dude, I just want one max win. That's all I want. Just one max win. I need a max win. I need a max win. Come on, come on. Feel good. Okay. I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. Oh, I need a max win. Well, we're burnt like how much just playing lamb chop today? We could have been up $12,000. Actually, it could have been up $16,000 today if I didn't go for the max win. See, this is just gambling. This is like how people trade meme coins and they're like, oh, you know what? I'm up 100x. Let me go for 120x. And you lose everything. That's literally what that is. I need a max win. Come on, one max win. Come on. Give it to me. 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 Oh, at this point, I'm just gonna break even if I get a max win. Come on. I need a max win. I need a max win. Come on. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. Go chase him. Chase your buddy. Chase your buddy. Chase your buddy. I need a max win. Come on. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. I'll make this a clean 250. I feel it. I feel it, boys. It's coming. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. All right. I'm taking a break. Taking a break. Taking a break. All right. Let's go. All right. Let's do $500 heads. Let's go. Come on. Okay. $1,000 heads. Let's go. Boom. $1,000 coin flips, bro. What are we doing? What are we doing? Just for the entertainment. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained right now? All right, one more. No, let's go 500. One more heads. Come on, come on, come on. Boom! Pop! $1,000 coin flips, bro. Fucking retarded right now. All right, one. Nah, one more heads. I think one more heads. Oh! 3 in a row, bitch. All right, let's do something else. Just need a max win. I need a max win. All right, let's go play some blackjack. Let's go play some blackjack. I just get so nervy. All right, market. Send it. Pump it, baby. You pump it right now. All right, let's see. What do we got here? VIP blackjack. No, let's do $250 hands. Oh, $500 hands. Let's do that. All right, let's see. Not bad. What's up, man? Oh, yeah. Okay. Maybe next time we'll do it again. I just lost too much money today. We're down what, like 7,000? Ooh, good start. Why not? Oh, all right. Come on. Come on. Good thing I didn't hit. Come on. Bust. Let's go. All right. Yeah. Whoever has the highest number of views from one of the clips today, I'll give you $100. So clip today's stuff. Whoever has the highest number of views, tag me. I'll give you guys $100. Oh shit! Again. Yeah, sure. Split it. Why not? Stay. Ugh, gross. Took away the face card. I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that. Oh my god! Why did I? He hit the 10 too. So we both suck. Yes, you get. I think I give away like $2,000-3,000 a month. to the leaderboard. Yeah, I like signals. Double down, let's go. Give me a 10. Take it. Take it. Did we win that one? Come on. Nice. I give a lot of money back to people under my on my thing. Come on. Come on. Oh, not a good day today, boys. Not a good day today. We're losing a lot of money today. Oh my god. Fuck you. Just no luck today, boys. Alright, let's do some slots and then call it for today. I'm having no luck. Where's that? The Dead or Alive. I like that one. Is there? There we go. My favorite slot game is Dead or Alive. Soaked by Semen. Ew, what? Is that a wait, is that a actual slots? Where is it? Semen. Is this for real? This is hilarious. Oh, why is it not coming on? Yeah, I had no luck today, boys. No giveaways today. Oh, soaked by semen. Oh my god. This is hilarious. So how does this work? Let's bet. Come on, baby. Ooh, the hell? This is so funny. What the hell is this? The fuck? You guys play some weird shit, bro. Alright, how do I wanna increase. Alright, let's buy a bonus. Nutty spin. Biggest load, bigger load. Should we just go for the biggest load? $3,000? My god. Alright, send it. Let's send it. I'm confused. Did I win anything? I don't get it. I'm very confused. No limit bonus. Super rigged. Here we go. Come on. Oh, it's trash. I long Bitcoin again just for a scalp, by the way. This is trash, guys. What's Yeats picks? That was alright. Let's do one more thing and then I'm done for the day. I like that other slot, Haunted Dead or Alive. Let's do this one. It's the last one for the day, and then I'm done. Come on, give us something. It's the last one, and I'm done. All right, fine. Let's go bet. Let's do some World Cup bets. Okay, how about that? Jolf is on. Jolf is on. Oh yeah, Mugamu 33. Oh, we won something. Yeah, we lost a lot of money today. It's been a while. You're right. All right, I think it's time to call it. Let's look at some bets. Let's do some sports betting for World Cup sports betting, and then we'll call it. Okay, let's get some bets in here. What do you guys like? All right, Switzerland, Canada. What do we like here? Let's go Canada. Let's do 1,000 on Canada. Okay. Okay. Let's do Scotland, Brazil. What do you guys got? Scotland, Brazil. What do we like? Let's go Scotland. Why not? I'm gonna go Scotland. Underdog, baby. Underdog. Or a draw. Should we bet both? We'll bet both. Neymar score. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, how about this? We'll do Scotland win. And then we'll do Neymar score. Is that an option here? Oh, no, it's not an option here. Okay. We'll do that. Oh wait, player markets. Here we go. Neymar. Here we go. Anytime goal scorer. Okay, let's do 500 on that. Okay, 1,000. Let's do that. All right, what other bets here? Hold on, let's find sports. Okay, Morocco, Haiti. Just gonna pick the draw. Let's bet on the draw here. All right, what else we got here? I think, and then we got Mexico, South Africa, Qatar. I don't know. All right, we got South Africa, Korea. Draw. Let's pick a draw again. Why not? Okay. I think this is good. So these are the bets today for. These are the bets today, and then we'll see. All right, on that term, I'm gonna call it today. Cheers. Thank you. Appreciate it.